Hey everyone, Adrian here, Indiana Backyard Gardener. I am outside in the garden. It is a beautiful day. It's actually quite hot out here. Um, I just needed to come out and check on my winter sowing jugs because of how hot it is. We did get down to like 38 degrees the other day, so I have still been watching and covering and protecting some things. But let me show you the jugs. All right, so here are the flowers that I was winter sowing. You can see most of them have come up. I'm watering them, so I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and grab the camera and take you guys along. So I don't remember exactly which ones are which. I can go back to my map, my key, and figure that out, but I'm not going to move anything because of that. But I am going to take off. You see, these are all ready. They're getting pretty dried in here. I'm going to hit them with some water. Make sure that they get a good drink because it's about 80 degrees out here, and with the lids on, it is even hotter. So yeah, everything seems to have sprouted for the most part. I believe I do have one casualty only because I neglected to come out soon enough, and that's the mustard spinach. It's a cool weather crop, so it really should have been uncovered a while ago. But the rest of these are like herbs and flowers. So yeah, everything looks to be doing good. I'm not going to move it, like I said, because I need to remember what's what. And now let's go take a look at the melons that I have inside here. All right. So I'm pretty sure I labeled these. So this one is Sugar Baby Watermelon. You see there's a lot of sprouts in there. Sorry guys, there's a glare and I can't see what you're seeing. So there's at least 3 that have sprouted. I don't know what this is. But there's one here, and then one there. So that's good. This one is Minnesota Midget. I do see in there like 1 sprout. This one is Cocozelle Zucchini. I don't see anything in there. This one has a sprout, couple sprouts, yep. Let's see, this one is not strawberry watermelon. I don't have anything in there. This is the baby watermelon, Tigger melon, got a sprout in there. Small sugar pumpkin, there's a sprout in there. Let me get to the back. Alright, so there's no loofah, but there is a cantaloupe and there is a Kajari melon. So these are doing okay. They're protected. I'm going to leave this open, but I am going to water them. It's looking a little dry in there. So yeah, that is the winter sowing jugs. If you remember the watermelon, I started just a couple of weeks ago. I did not winter sow the watermelon. It was more like spring sowing. So once it came time for me to be able to plant these things with a single layer of protection, then I went ahead and did the jugs surrounded by this straw, and then inside this greenhouse, just to make sure that it had enough protection so that when they do sprout, nothing's going to kill them. And we did, like I said, get down to 38 degrees the other day, and they made it. So that is the update on all of the jugs. So if you guys are doubting the method for starting your seeds in jugs, please don't. It is a proven method and it works. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and till next time, the more you know, the more you grow. Bye, guys.